When it comes to supporting teams who want to start getting involved in innovation, there's a fantastic mindset that came out of Japanese manufacturing that I think, frankly, is gold. And the idea here is asking for golden eggs. What does that mean? Well, in a Japanese manufacturing company like Mitsubishi, for example, one of the things that you'll be taught as an employee in your first couple of days of onboarding is that you have a quota to uncover golden eggs. And the idea here is a golden egg is a problem without a solution. And so, whereas in the West, we have this management mantra of don't come to me with problems, come to me with solutions, which is terrible, right? Let's think about that for a second. That means we only want to know about the problems that you know how to fix. Isn't it the problems you don't know how to fix that really we should be talking about? And that's where this idea of asking for golden eggs comes in. So one of the things that you can do immediately is get back out into your team and invite them to share what are some of the big challenges that we're facing in achieving a particular outcome, a strategic goal, a milestone, a successful project, whatever it might be. And let people know they can share things that they don't know how to solve. What's critical is that you, as the leader, get sight of the big challenges that team are really facing. And we can treat those then as golden eggs. So in a manufacturing company, those golden eggs get put on the wall and then people can pick those up. And if they have an idea for a solution, they can work it through. So it's much less about the individual having to originate the solution and much more about the group having the solution. There's this fantastic quote of the smartest person in the room is the room, which means it's not about one individual contributor's contribution. It's about the collective knowledge, expertise, and wisdom that the group can bring together. So get out there, ask for golden eggs, and please don't ever use that phrase, only come to me with solutions, don't come to me with problems. It really is going to stop you from understanding the most important challenges that your team need to tackle, and you as a leader need to help facilitate them through.